Hi there, little gigglers. Have you ever made a funny sound like that's what called a hiccup? Let's explore what a hiccup really is. A hiccup is a little jump your body makes when your breathing goes whoops. It happens when your diaphragm gets surprised. Sometimes hiccups happen when you laugh too much. Your body's like, hold on, what's going on here? Hic. Want to stop a hiccup? Try holding your breath, drink water slowly, or counting to 10. It's like playing a little game with your body. So, a hiccup is just your body being a little silly. Next time it happens, have fun with it. Bye bye, hiccup heroes.